biko nu onye nwa Gọvanọ Hope Uzodimma ji ezie ihe biko Gọvanọ Hope Uzodimma hapụ afịa nwanne anyị nwoke a biko hapụ afịa Michael Obinna biko hapụ afịa this young man. Kedu ihe na-achọ ikwu to say property this man? I gave him video this man made online. I watched the video made online. The thing gbawara m obi ọ gbawara m obi. Kedu onye nna anyị ndị Igbo si gba wicked na-agbasa our flow Igbo's wicked. Anyị na-eti mkpu ka ndị Igbo niile nwere investment na asada n'Igbo ka ha na-ebunata their investment na n'Igbo na onye nke nwere investment n'Imo steeti na họteelụ ya disenti nke anọ n'ụlọ mere na họteelụ ya na yakwa ejekwa ebe ọzọ ka ife this man mere ego hapụ ya ka o zuo ike. Ịmakwa many people many youth too na-alụ ọlụ under this man na-eli nri imechi that place ka ebe ha ga na-esi eli nri ha kedu onye ga-esi provide those youth ebe ha ga na-alụ ọlụ. Kedu ife anyị bụ ndị Igbo ji gbawugidere wicked ya or because of ịbụ gọvanọ ka iji eme power ime this kind of thing ị na-eme ọ bụ na ịbụrụ na gọvanọ of Imo steeti ị nwere power ime ihe anyị na-eme or because of iji political power ha mee years ka this power ga-anọgụ n'aka ọ pụọ ha mere esi ị ga-anọ n'ụwa wee hapụ ụwa ijiri because of the authority ị nwere as a gọvanọ wee na-eje kidnap nwoke mmadụ ihe n'ike. O nwere onye ọzọ ga-agwa gị o nwere any pastor or minister of God onye ga-agwa gị na Igbo I will speak it. Stop it. Ọ dọrọ mma. What shall we profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? And you claim that you're a Christian. You claim that you're a Christian. If you're a Christian, follow the footsteps of Jesus Christ. You opportunity when I want the Igbos. Because Asham can tell someone drone at this case. Get video. This our brother Mele. Obo amobi of former. Na government na chibia wala na Hope Uzodimma na chi take property who can save for ego for many years. Powerful go property. Enjoy it because of political power or drama. I will speak it as a messenger of God. I will speak it, Odroma. I will tell you that Odroma is not good. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Odroma. What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Keuloga Balago. Ego ni billions of naira ni ngole usbego. Or that one kita we will afejugu. What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Governor Hope Uzodimma. Hapu Michael Obinna. Leave this man. What is going on? Focus your attention. Keep making sure na peace the Imo state. Focus your attention. Imo state with many things. Focus your attention to bring peace in Imo state. Or put even a fight to your own brother. Onye tara for many years. Build your property. No investment in national prayer. No economy in Lagos. No economy in Lagos. Oh my God, may God Almighty deliver us from these wicked leaders that we have in Igbo land. Kachine can uptime our wicked leaders are in Igbo land. May God deliver us from those wicked leaders we have in Igbo land. Bikono Ejimohola when I go all the Igbos. Bikono. This our brother begging on social media where bag or Bokondi Bonine Kanyariaka. Wanna happen this man. May I not leave this man. Obola because of Hope Uzodimma governor of Imo State. Omezi Hadron on Nezeze. Omwenge Kukunu. The prophet, the messenger of God will speak. Yes, I gave you. I want to told you no Nagaragwaya. I want to those Chinagagwan or drama. So, Governor Hope Uzodimma, have Michael Obinna. Okoli him in a hotel, you know, Sibia. Ghana, Mayfield in a hotel. One. What is going on? Nefon Mendi will know Wasa, Nehon Mendi Bonanayoba. Now, one okay, making investment, law investment, employ how many youth and I roll under him on up for every month. The Governor Hope Uzodimma in a chucky, he can appear at Odoma, Governor Hope Uzodimma stop it, Odroma. I will tell you, Odroma, Hope Uzodimma mana, Chineke Kilenigono, Kago in everything. In an apple, onye ka ihe n'ike n'iji political power na chi na ihe n'ike. Malama na Chineke Kilenigono, Yelegon de Tata. I'm not happy with you for all these things you are doing. I will tell you, other pastors or other ministers of God, I will tell you, Odroma. Am I here who mad in Mego, Gago, my man, Madi Bego? Ya, we have my wago, Ogawa. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Biko, happy working mother, happy property working mother, happy working mother, gone all way. Happier, in here in our China, with your problem. You have many things, you guys at home, happy working mother. I'm still your brother evangelist, Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom. Bikono, Ndibo, Unechefuna, this our brother. Kabatano, this our brother, Senyamaka. Opo Kundi Muset, Boko Ndibo. bikonu ka anyị gbata n'ụdị our brother ọsọ enyemaka. O need our help. O need our help. O need the justice. Bikonu ka anyị gbata n'ọsọ enyemaka. Ka anyị gbata n'ọsọ enyemaka.
Beside the gate was the first thing they wrote. IMO state government vacate within 7 days. They wrote this one. As they wrote this one, the second one, they left this place. The third one, I met them and I said, why are you writing this? They said, this building belongs to Governor Uzodimma. And I said, is it the ward that belongs to you? Because you wrote at the last extreme end that is for Bank of Idiots. They said, no, the whole property of this Mimi place belongs to Governor Uzodimma. That governor wants to make use of this property, so we should evacuate it. And I said, but before you wrote vacate within 21 days, this property belongs to Bank of Industry. And we got a paper from the chairman through the court that this case is in the court. He said nothing concerning with this paper, that he has seen it, but nothing concerns it, that governor wants to make use of this property, that this property belongs to the governor. He said it to us. He met me and told me confidently, he said this property belongs to governor, that we should vacate it on 7 days, that they are coming here on Thursday to seal these premises. And I said, okay, can we talk to anybody? They said no, that's what they want to say, and they have done it, so we should vacate. And I said, where can we meet you? They didn't answer me. And I said, can I call you and let me inform you so I can see you and talk to you? He didn't answer me. But when Mr. Pascal came on Monday, Mr. Pascal said from this building to the last ward there, that it belongs to governor, the government of Imo State, that he wants to see you, that is your friend, he used to come upstairs, that he wants to see you to bring the paper to his office to show that you are the owner of the property. If not, he come in peace there. After this one, anything that happen, we should take it. That's all. And he left. Today they didn't talk to us. They came with escorts, four e-logs with a lot of people. They didn't talk to anybody. They just wrote the one they were right, and they said we should not cover it anymore. That if we cover it, if they come back, they'll seal this place. Thank you, sir.
Put me in court, so let us sort it out. Not coming to my place to come and treating my staff and tell my staff to pack out, that my staff should go out, so they should close down. If you people force me too much, I'll close this business and you people will go and rest. I'll close it and send all these people, over 3,000 to 4,000 Imo sons and daughters are eating from me, directly or indirectly. How many of you have these people that you have given job? How many of you have come into Imo to come and invest like me? Why won't you allow me to rest? What is wrong with you people? You people should allow me to rest. Allow me to do my business the way I don't hurt anybody. I don't have anything to do with anybody. I do my business legitimately and so on. Please, you people should leave me alone. You people, I'm calling on you people to come and help me. Because I don't have brother, I don't have sister. You are my brother, you are my sister. I depend on you people. They used to Imo. You people should come and ask this man question. He should leave me alone. Do his business of governance. Let us do our business of business.